This video is a tutorial of the Minimax Hailuo AI on how to kiss characters. So, to make a generated kissing scenes using Hailuo AI is a straightforward process. You should be as detailed as possible. So, right here, you should type your idea or your creation or imagination of how do you want um, characters to act with each other. You need to be detailed as possible, as to more also detailed with the outcome, or it should be able to be more specific. So let's see, like romantic scene where two characters share so with this description, AI will make your idea into visuals. Then if you're not satisfied enough, then you should be able to make it as specific or as detailed as possible. So it will make you this AI generated videos.
They told us stories about